This is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2013 Mazda 6, stock number 6852. It's ran from 11th 2012 to the 2nd 2018. Has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, rear boot lid no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 19-inch factory automatic tyre, right rear right front door no dents, right hand door mirror, right front 19-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic air shifter, head AC controls, factory touchscreen SAT-NAV stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,